next question is, do I have to go to court if we have a mediated agreement?
In a mediated divorce, a court do I have to go to court? How did I answer that? There was an introduction that I liked that I said here. What number is that?
Number 9. I'm sorry, number 10.
Okay.
And the question is, do I have to go to court if we have a mediated agreement?
To be divorced requires a court order, a judgment of the court dissolving your marriage. A mediated divorce means that you are mediating the disputes and resolving disputes and issues that a court would otherwise decide if you didn't have that agreement. So here's how it works. A court action is commenced. A court action will be started either by an attorney, if you're represented by an attorney, or if you're in the mediation process without having hired an attorney, the mediator will prepare the documents for you. In a mediated situation, the court documents, if you haven't retained an attorney for the court proceeding, the court documents will say that you represent yourself as a pro se litigant. You're self-represented. Then you will file the papers. The procedure in the court will follow. But in the background, you are working with your mediator to resolve the issues. And once those issues are resolved and they're memorialized in this separation agreement, at the end of the day, you will be taking the agreement and going back to court, presenting it to a judge. And at that time, a judge will scrutinize the agreement to make certain that it is fair and equitable. And if it deals with children, that the provisions with regard to custody and parenting benefit the children. And that you have fashioned the parenting agreement that serves the best interests of the children. So yes, 2 court appearances will need to be made in a mediated divorce to file the necessary documents and to conclude the matter at an uncontested hearing.